Hey guys, we are here with the TL today, and what I have today is a cheap, like universal rear diffuser I got off of Wish. I'm gonna see if I can install it on this TL right here, and see how it looks. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it. So here we are underneath, looking at the rear bumper. I already went and wiped down this bottom side with a degreaser and a microfiber towel just to clean it up a bit. As you can see, like, the diffuser is kind of curved and the bumper is not as curved, so I'm gonna have to cut it in half, I think, just so I can get the whole thing to stick on this rear bumper. So I've kind of marked where I need to cut it, and then I don't know if I'm probably gonna leave these the teeth on there, but we'll see how I go about cutting it. So I just got a saw. This is all I could find in the garage. I'm just gonna go at it. Instead of using the saw, I just found a pair of, I think these are like shears or something, and I'm just gonna cut it. It's pretty ghetto right now, but I'm gonna have to kind of sand it down later. I think I got this for 20 bucks or something like that, so I'm not too bummed if it doesn't turn out.
That shit hurting.
So, all done.
This is the most ghetto shit I've ever seen in my life.
I'm gonna get started sanding this down, and we'll see how it looks on the test fit. Well, this is how it's gonna look like. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna start get a marker, kind of mark where I want to put it, and then once I put the 3M tape on there, it should go on pretty easy. For my ghetto engineering and 20 bucks, doesn't look too bad, I guess. Alright, so 3M tape is on there. I got the actual 3M tape, and then there's a kind of like a cheapish one here. It's got some padding to it, so it should kind of help stick it to where there's a recess. But moment of truth, let's see how this baby goes on there. And then I just kind of said it to sanding it down. No one's gonna see the anyway, so. NANI?! And it's on there. Done. Doesn't look too bad. It's kind of like subtle, not too loud. And she's on there. So I put some kind of tape just to help the 3M tape kind of settle, or the adhesive kind of settle overnight. I actually tried putting on this diffuser once already before I did all that cutting, and it actually fell off the next day. But I only used this stuff, which I'm guessing is not as strong as hopefully it's not as strong as the actual 3M stuff. So we'll see. Just to see how long it'll last. But yeah, all done. Doesn't look too bad. So that was just a quick little video installing that rear diffuser. It was a little bit more labor intensive than I thought it was going to be. But next up for the TL, we got brake pads and rotors incoming from Rock Auto, which should be here in a couple days. It'll be like the second or third time I've actually ever done a brake job. The first time was actually on this Aristo back here, and it actually took me like 7 hours or something like that. So hopefully this will be a little bit more quicker than that. But stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later. Until next time.
Sash.